Hello, and welcome to today's video where we're going to unveil some secret marketing tactics that the elite in the corporate world don't want you to know about. In this short 3-minute video, I'm going to share some key insights and actionable steps that will give you an edge in the competitive world of marketing. Let's start with some common pain points that many marketing professionals face. Ever felt overwhelmed by the constant changes in the digital landscape? Struggled to stand out in a sea of competitors? Or perhaps you've wondered how to maximize your ROI without breaking the bank? Now, let's dive into the secret marketing tactics that can transform your approach. Start by leveraging data analytics. Analyze your customer behavior, website traffic, and conversion rates. Did you know that businesses that use data-driven decision-making are 5% more productive and 6% more profitable? It's a game changer. Create valuable, high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Did you know that companies with blogs generate 67% more leads per month? Harness the power of social media platforms. Over 3 billion people use social media worldwide. Make your presence known. But remember, it's not just about being present, it's about engaging with your audience. Don't underestimate the effectiveness of email marketing. For every $1 spent on email marketing, the average ROI is $42. Personalize your emails and watch your conversion rate soar. Now that you're armed with these secret marketing tactics, it's time to put them into action. Start implementing these strategies in your marketing campaigns today and watch your results improve. Thank you for watching, and remember, these secrets are now in your hands. Don't let the elite keep them from you. Go out there, dominate the marketing game, and achieve the success you deserve. Good luck! Consider subscribing our channels for more updates like this.